Using motorsport to help make ever better cars is core to our past, present and future. Let's hear how we're getting on.
Toyota has a long history in motorsports, over 60 years. It started in 1952 after Kiichiro Toyoda declared, "With competition comes progress, as well as excitement amongst motoring fans." The aim of racing is not just to satisfy our curiosity, but rather to enable the development of the Japanese passenger vehicle industry. Those are today the guiding principles of Toyota Gazoo Racing. Formed to unite all motorsport activity under one large umbrella, Toyota Gazoo Racing has three key elements: making ever better cars, developing people, and engaging with fans. Firstly, making ever better cars. Motorsport typically demands the maximum in terms of performance and endurance. Learning from these intense activities can be transferred into the engineering and technologies that are used in our road cars. In terms of development people, you might be surprised to learn that many of the team members of Toyota Gazoo Racing come directly from regular engineering and development jobs. This is to ensure that they are immersed into the world of teamwork, challenge and critical decision making, and thereby giving them the opportunity to learn quickly and transfer their experience back into their regular projects. Last but not least comes engaging with fans. The idea is to connect with people to share our mutual passion for motorsport. So what are the results? In the FIA World Endurance Championship, Toyota Gazoo Racing has won the 2018 Le Mans 24 Hour. In the World Rally Championship, the Yaris WRC has won several rallies this season. In terms of road car development, we launched the Yaris GRMN in January this year. Next up is the Yaris GR Sports, which is launched here in Paris. Please refer to the Yaris module. And shortly after that will come the new Supra, a car the world is impatiently waiting for. For more details, please refer to the Supra module. So there you have it, Toyota Gazoo Racing, making ever better cars.